All right, the window on the selling season for 2025 is officially beginning to close, and that sets us up for a forecast to those who are thinking of selling in 2026. For those of you considering the potential sale of your home in 2026, I highly encourage you to actually connect with your realtor earlier in that process, which is right about now. Often there's some things that need to get done in preparation, especially if you end up coming on early in the year in 2026, that can be much easier handled in the fall than it is in the winter when it's cold and maybe you don't have easy access or the cold prohibits somebody from doing certain things outside. Secondarily, it may be in your best interest to actually do some photos now so that if the market lines up to where it's advantageous to you to get on very early in the spring, before trees have started to bloom, before all these things have happened, that you have some seasonal photos that show some foliage and the home in a different light during a different season. Many homes don't show their best when all the trees are bare. For more information on strategizing how to maximize the return for your home in 2026, feel free to reach out. My name is Bill Boswell, as always, with the Omega Real Estate Group, and your search ends here.